Okay, so next question. A fruit seller has a stock of mangoes, bananas, and apple. Okay, MBA. With at least one fruit of each type. At the beginning of a day, the number of mangoes made up to 40% of his stock. So let's keep a total as well here. So if the total was X, understand, if the total was X, then the mangoes would have been 2 by 5 of X. 40% is 2 by 5 written in fraction form. But I don't want to play with fractions here. So what I'll do, I'll assume the total as 5X. So 2 by 5 of 5X is what? 2X. So I can just write the number of mangoes as what? 2 by 5 of 5x, which is 2x. Okay, done. Next, 40% of the stock. So this is what he had initially. This is the initial. That day he sells half of the mangoes, which means he sold x mangoes, 96 bananas. It's fine. 96 bananas and 50% of the fruits. Okay, so 5 was the total he had, so he sold 2.5. Find the smallest possible 40% apples. I forgot that. So he sold 40% of the apples. So let's say if he had 5y again here, so he would have sold 2y apples here, right? So he ended up selling 50% of all the fruit that he had in his stock. The smallest possible total number of fruits in the stock at the beginning of the day is what? Okay. So here I have to add another variable. So what I'll do, I'll equate this equation. And I just need to find the value of x, right? I need to find the value of basically 5x. Okay, so if I get the value of x, then we are good to go. So x plus 96 plus 2y is equals to 2.5x. So 96 plus 2y is equals to, if we take x there, then I get 1.5x. Multiply the whole equation by 2 so that we can eliminate the decimal point here. So this becomes 192 plus 4y is equal to 3x. Okay, so now this question has become a question of special equations. Here I need to find the smallest value of x and y because that is what they are asking. So all I need to do is start substituting values of y in order to get integral values of y in order to get integral values of x. Okay, so we can't use 0 because they have told us that we have at least one fruit of each type. So let's substitute the value of y as 1. If I substitute the value of y as 1, I get the answer as the value of x will be what? 192 plus 4, 196 by 3. This is not divisible, so this is not the case. Then we'll take y is equal to 2. Then the value of x will be what? This is 8200 by 3. This is also not the value. If I take the value of y as 3, then the value of x will be what? 192 plus 12 upon 3. This will be 204 by 3. So the answer is what? 68. Okay, so far this is the minimum value. For y is equal to 3, I get the value of x as 68. Now just substitute the value of x here. 5, the total number of fruits will be 5x, which is 5 multiplied by 68. This becomes 5 for the 40, this becomes 0, 30, 3, 40. So 340 is your answer.